Hello, everybody, and welcome to the second week back in the most amazing year of all. So this is because we can't really have assembly in the hall because we need to keep social distancing and we need to stay safe with the virus. But nothing holds us back at Grange. We are great CC learners. So this is your head teacher video assembly, 14th of September 2020, first assembly of the year. You know who it is. It's me, Mr. Kerbal, and I am doing assembly through the powers of technology. So, what are we aiming for this year at Grange? We know the Grange CC way. Well, we want a great caring attitude from everybody. We want everybody to really be trying their best. We want everybody always learning, especially from their mistakes. That's all of us, mistakes really help you to learn. So we're not afraid of mistakes at Grange. We like our mistakes because we use our mistakes to help us to learn and do even better. We are always going for improvement and progress. That's our goal. It's always to improve and to do better and make progress. We believe that education helps all of us to make great choices. So we believe in the power of education. We want to make the most of our education and we never give up. So there we go, Grange. At Grange, we have the CC way. We want to be confident, each one of us. There you can see the little guy is proud of himself or herself. We want to be caring. We want to show everybody that we care about others and we want to help others. So that's the Grange CC way. Confidence and consideration. Remember, you put your hand on your heart and you motion in a circle outwards. Confidence and consideration. And we have CC walking and CC lining up at Grange, which just really helps us to do even better with our learning. So here's Grange CC lining up. So you can see you want to be first to your learning. So you want to have feet on both sides of the line. If there's no line, just imagine there's a line over there. You want to have your eyes in front. That's where they should be. You want to respect who you are. Use your character strengths to wait quietly when you're in a line. You see your teacher or educator and then you tell them good morning or good afternoon. That is CC lining up. You can get class charts points from your teacher, from your educator for great CC lining up. CC walking, well, I said space because CC walking is all about how you respect the space around you. So as you're walking, you're making space for your classmates. You're never too close to the person in front of you. You're never on top of the person behind you. You're making space for your classmates. You have a positive attitude. You're walking and you want to get to where you're getting to in the right time. You're aware of others. You're considerate. You're respectful. You know that other people are sharing the same space in our school and therefore you're not noisy in your line. You're confident. Your hand is on your heart. Remember, I said I don't like people putting their finger on their lip because I don't want to close your voice down. I want confident learners. And if you are walking in a CC walking way, then you are considerate as well. And everyone is learning and doing well in our school. And that CC walking, you're showing you are one of our Grange community. And you're learning, you're doing well, you're walking well, you are proud, and you are considerate, confident and considerate. Now, stars of the week. We've had a whole week back. And who are the stars of the week? Well, I did it in houses. So we have the Grange House of Water. And wow, the Grange House of Water managed to get a massive 766 positive points. Well done, everybody's in the House of Water. And here are the individual stars in the House of Water. Logan, 28. Sakina, 25. Bassett, 23. Abdullah, that is 23. Khalif, 37 positive points. Wow. Ashvini, 21. Agash, 21. Natalia, 21 positive points, and Irfan, 20 points, and Bavita, 20 points. Well done. This is the Grange House of Water, individual superstars. Now we got the Grange House of Fire. Grange House of Fire, a massive 873 positive points. Brilliant Grange House of Fire. And individual stars, Shana with 25, Ramanullah with 25, Zohal with 24, Farhad with 23. Rocky San, 26 points. Well done. Jalal, 23. Vishwish, 22. Murtiga, 22. Kamani, 22. Tiago, 22. And still in the House of Fire, lots of individual stars. Soraya, 20. Majid, 20. Pfizer, 21. Well done, guys, in the House of Fire. And here's the Grange House of Air. Managed to get a massive 705 positive CC points. Well done to you, Grange House of Air. And yeah, your individual superstars. Maria O, 32 individual points. Brilliant. Shravan, 32 points. Nikki, 29 points. Blessing, 21 points. Yasin, 18 points. Proud of you, individual superstars in the Grange House of Air. Grange House of Earth. Wow, a massive 958 points. Wow, positive. Individual superstars. Nahara with an incredible whopping 43 positive points. Habez, 29 positive points. Maria A, 28 positive points. Sammy, 28. Afsa, 28 positive points. Gabriella, 26 positive points. Ronessa, 24 positive points. Zakira, 24 positive points. Danusha, 23. John Anthony, 23 positive points. Great start. And still more individual superstars in the House of Earth. Zohaib, 23. Stefania, 23. Jabril, 23. Hussein, 22. Vladut, 22 points. Layan, 21. I10, 21 points. Amazing work, everybody. So the whole Grange community, that's all 4 houses. If we put them all together, you got a massive 3,302 positive CC points. Give yourselves a massive round of applause. We are a powerful, amazing, confident, and considerate community at Grange. There we go. Proud of you. Amazing work. So remember to be great, be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration. Give yourself love and give love to the world. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Be great, be Grange. And if you get a chance, I hope your teacher shows you the new Grange greeting routine, which is saved on our Grange intranet. Have a great week, everybody. I'm proud of you, and it is great to be Grange.